What's going on, guys? Lazy Man here again, and today we're going to be replacing the engine guards. I'm not going to do a whole lot of step-by-step, how many turns you got to undo the bolt to get it out. There is literally 3 bolts holding this on. And even though there's only 3 bolts, this crash bar saved a whole lot of extra damage that would have happened if he didn't have it. Here it is now. Hey, we got a special guest in the house. This is my father, everybody.
Hi.
Say hello, Father.
Hi there.
And I think he's going to be helping us since he just walked into my video, so now he's going to be put to work.
Okay.
How does that make you feel?
I love it.
Awesome. So I'm going to show you what the crash bar will look like after the fact.
Okay.
And I probably just and probably the next shot will just be it replaced and everything put back together. So I'm not going to get too deep into it, but yeah, let's do this. Let's do this thing, get it replaced, and after that, the only thing that needs to be done is the bag guards and the bag latch. So yeah, next thing you'll probably see is the new bars and everything be ready to go. All right, and there's actually where it bent right here. Don't know how it ended up doing that when here is a scratch and everything where it went down. I think there's a little bit right there. So how it bent up here, I guess I just used this bracket as the leverage point and just creased it in. But yeah, I mean, you can pick up an engine guard either really cheap, which may be good for dropping it, or you can spend $200-300 for a good one that can save you. Well, if he hadn't had the engine guard, he would have had to get new floorboards, a new shifter, probably a new primary case, new exhaust. So $300 can save you $1,500. So yeah, just keep that in mind whenever you're wanting to deck out your bike and think, well, I'll get one of those later. It's not a big deal. But yeah, just a little food for thought. All right, and there we go. Didn't take me and my dad long at all. I mean, definitely want 2 people to do something like this, just because you're having to handle this large chunk of metal around stuff that costs hundreds of dollars to replace if you scratch it really bad. But yeah, definitely an extra set of hands does help. This was just a cheap engine guard set off of eBay. It cost like 70 bucks, which should do the job, for one drop, which that's all you want an engine guard to do anyway. But it's 3 bolts. It went on pretty smooth, being aftermarket. It did have to do a little bit of forcing, but other than that, once we got everything lined up and in place, no problems on installation. But this is going to be it for the rebuild for a while. Next thing is going to be bag guards and bag latch if he wants to, and then after that, if he wants to, we're going to do leather back covers. But that's not going to be for a while. The bike is definitely rideable. He's been riding it, and just been storing it in my shop so I can do work on it whenever I get the stuff and the time. But other than that, and that was all there was to this. All right, Lazy Man signing out.